Okay, so let's take a look at how you can join list with the separator in Apex. So for that we will open Salesforce Developer dashboard and then open our developer console. Okay, once open, what we will do is we will click on this debug menu and open execute anonymous window. Now here, if you have any existing code, remove that, and after that simply type in list then string. Okay, and let's name this list something like string list, and then new list string. Now what we're going to do is we are going to add some items. So let's say pen, then comma pepper. Okay, let me wait. Pepper, and after that let's add. Okay, so these are the items that I wish to add in list. After that, what we will do is we will create a string that will basically join them. So string str equals to string dot join. Okay, so the object that we wish to join is str list, and separator that we wish to edit would be within single quote dash. Okay, you can also use comma if you want, so let's use comma. Then system dot debug join list. Okay, now here let's use str. So when the output shows, it should show pen comma paper comma eraser. Okay, so we'll execute that. Okay, so let me check if anything goes wrong. Okay, so here string g is missing, so that clear. Let's execute. Okay, now here in log we have to check for user debug output event. Okay, so let's take a look at that, and here is our user debug. Let me check. Okay, so here you see join list pen pepper eraser separated by comma. You can use even dash for that separation as well.